Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new here, my name is Shelly. I am a 3rd grade teacher in Northern California. And this video is going to be, I think, the second video in my Packing Up My Classroom series. Our school days are flying by because we are so close to the end of the year and we have a lot going on. So for this vlog, I'm mainly gonna stick to packing up my room and kind of walk you through the process of what I have to do this year. So if this is your first time here, just to kind of get you up to speed, I do have to pack up my entire room this year because our school is being remodeled. They are offering us storage units. However, I'm going to take everything home with me because I have a lot of storage in my house and my husband's okay with it. So everything does have to leave my room. And I definitely have started the process. So really quickly, just for the new people, I'm gonna show you what I have done so far. So at this point, I have cleared out my classroom library. That's all this stuff here. All of my manipulatives, this is empty. This is my ongoing pile of stuff. This is all gone. All these are empty, and these cabinets are empty. So I have two main goals for this pack up day and this vlog. The first thing is we are emptying out all of the desks today. So what that means is we're gonna be returning textbooks. I'm gonna be sending a lot of stuff home with the kiddos. I'm doing this mainly because A, it has to get done, but B, we do change seats today. So something that I did last year that the kids really loved is the last 2 weeks of school, I let them sit wherever they want. So we're gonna change seats today. But before we even change seats, I'm gonna have them just empty everything out. We're gonna make some stacks. That way the desks are good to go. I don't have to think about that anymore. And that's gonna be a huge thing to check off my list. And then the other main thing that I wanna get done is this pile. I really wanna get it to my car, and I wanna start this here. Ideally, I could get all of that gone today, but we will see how much room I have in my car, to be honest. So if I do get all that to my car, I will take you home with me and I will show you what my storage is looking like at home. It's so funny because it looks so crazy, all like stacked in a pile. And then when I bring it to my house, I'm like, that doesn't even look like that much stuff, but it is. So that's where we are at today. Okay. There are some things that I need to get done and prepped for the morning, so I'm gonna put you guys down, and then as soon as these kiddos start pulling stuff out of their desks, I'll pick you back up. Hey guys, so the kids are at recess. Of course, I knew this would happen. As soon as we started pulling stuff out of desks, I was just total chaos in here, and so I didn't pick up my camera, but I am gonna show you what we did. We accomplished a ton. So the desks are basically empty. I mean, all that's in there is a green folder and then whatever like writing stuff they have. So they cleaned out the inside and the tops. So then we have all of our math books here, all of their social studies workbooks. I collected all of my black markers, all my whiteboards, and then as you can see over here, their mailboxes are stuffed full of all their notebooks and stuff that they're going to take home. So we were very successful this morning in our packed up process. Okay, so since the kids are at recess and this is my break, this is usually when I have my snack. So I do quickly want to thank 310 Nutrition for sponsoring this portion of the video, because as like a content creator, I think one of the coolest things is getting the chance to work with brands that you enjoy, you like to consume, and you can just get behind, because you guys know, if you've been on here for a while, I will never ever promote something that I can't get behind. So 310 Nutrition reached out to me with several different products. And I'm really excited because I've seen like a lot of people that I follow promote this on their social media. So I was really curious about it, and I'm really excited that I actually got the chance to try it. So they sent me several different products about a month ago, and I've been using them for about a month now. And if you know me, you know that I'm pretty passionate about health and fitness. I work out every single morning. I pay really close attention on what I put into my body. So far I can confidently say that I've been loving these products. So first of all, they sent me, this is the smaller one. This is the one I keep in my classroom because I keep the same bigger version at home. This is their meal replacement. I use it more of like a protein powder because each serving has 15 grams of protein. So I'll usually have 2 throughout the day, and I use that instead of my normal protein powder, and it's the same. This is the chocolate flavor, which I like. They did send 2 samples, one of a vanilla and one of a strawberry. I'm just more of a vanilla person, but the chocolate is still really, really good. So basically, I've been using this. I just keep this in my drawer here at school, and I've been using this as my snack. It's perfect because The macros, just really quick, if you care, I do, so I'm gonna share it with you. It's only 90 calories. There's 15 grams of protein, 7 carbs, 1 fat, and 0 sugar for 1 serving. So it's just like 1 scoop. So what I do is they gave me also too, one of these shakers, which is great. I have like 50 of these at home. So again, I just keep this here at school. I like to do the chocolate one with almond milk, but I switched to water just because I'm trying to drink more water. So I literally just fill this thing up with water. I take 1 scoop of the protein powder, or I guess it's more of a meal replacement. I put it in here, shake it up, and then that's my snack. And I love it because I can take it out to the playground with me and I'm done by the time the kids come back. They did offer all of you guys a $39 starter kit, which is I think over $50 off. As you can see here, there are several different products to choose from. This site is really easy to navigate. So if you guys are interested, I will link all of that down below in the description box. So I am going to drink mine, head out to the playground, and I'll be back and check in with you after recess. Okay, so the kiddos are at lunch now after recess. We just came in, I stuffed all their green folders. Then they went out for PE and I have to take them to PE, so I couldn't really get anything done then. I started this day thinking that I had art prep and I don't have prep on Tuesdays. And Memorial Day kind of threw me off. So I was planning on doing a lot of packing during that block, so I don't get to do that now, and it's lunch and I wanna go eat. So I am gonna have to stay a little bit after school, but that's just the way it is. I will definitely show you my unpacking or my, you know, that stuff over there. But for now, I'm going to go eat and I will check back in with you guys probably at the end of the day. Okay, I ate really quickly and I decided that I'm just gonna start packing this cart up. Whoop. So this is what I use to take everything that's here to my car. Work smarter, not harder. So I'm gonna put you guys down and start loading up this guy right here. All right, so this is 1 load. Let me swing around this way. So as you can see, we are pretty fully stocked. So I'm definitely gonna save these big tubs for when my dad comes with his truck because they are so heavy and I need a dolly to move them. I think depending on how my car looks, I'm gonna try and fit all this in my car. So that goes, and then I still have 1 more box of books. I was able to fit 2 boxes on this cart. And then I'm hoping this Sunday, fingers crossed, I'll be able to come either with my dad or my husband to move a lot of the big stuff. So I'm taking both of these. All of these are mine. So all of this has to go into storage. This bookcase stays. I'm gonna try and empty this out at the end of the day today. This table stays. Obviously the desk stays. This is mine, so I have to pack that away. This is mine. That's mine. So as you can see, a lot of the furniture is mine. All of these fun chairs are mine. So one of these days, hopefully Sunday, is gonna be a big packing day. You know what else I think I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take down that bulletin board and the one on the back, because why not? And I have you here, so, all right, let's take this down. Oh, it looks so bare. I'm definitely gonna do something different with this wall next year, but you'll have to stay tuned for next year to see what happens. Hey guys, so it's the end of the day. So I wanna show you, so I rolled up my rug and I just kind of moved this little unit out of the way. That wall's empty, that wall's empty. So now I am going to move all of this to my car. Hopefully it all fits. If not, obviously I'll have to come back. But anyway, I'm gonna go move this to my car and then I'm gonna go home and I will show you, I will unload this and then show you my home storage unit and then probably end the vlog. Overall, today was a really good day. It's so funny though, I'm like, as I'm thinking through day by day, I'm like, there's so much stuff that still needs to get done. And I just feel like there's just not enough time in the day. So it is what it is. But okay, I'm gonna head out of here so I can get that stuff going. Hey guys, so I am home. It's like 4:10. So I wanna show you the storage area where I'm keeping all of my stuff. That way you kind of have a visual. Okay, so we have this like weird breezeway area And then we go into our garage. So we have all of this storage. So I've started stacking some of my stuff from my room here. And then I have some stuff up here. I don't think I put anything, yeah, just some notebooks. Nothing really in here yet, but as you can see, I have more than enough storage. Speaking of unloading my car, it is full. She is stuffed. All right, so I'm gonna put you guys down and start unloading. So everything is officially out of my car. This is where everything is going to be living over the summer. I kind of love it because over the summer I can go through all the materials and I have everything, which is awesome. I know that I'm very fortunate to have this much storage at my house, so I'm going to take advantage of it. So okay, there's nothing in that. So up here I just put the boxes. Those are all full of books. And then in this cabinet is where I put all of my extra baskets and bins. And there's Trigger. There's nothing in there, buddy. There's nothing in there, buddy. And then I just have these books up here. So that's it. We are slowly but surely making progress. Are you a good boy? Yeah. Yeah. Are you a good boy? Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Okay, now that I'm a hot, sweaty mess, I'm going to end this vlog here. If you enjoy these pack-up videos, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Again, all of the 3 to Nutrition stuff will be linked down below, so do make sure to go check them out. I'm telling you, it's something that I love and I can totally get behind, so go check them out. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go over to @earlyadventures and follow me there. I post a lot of different stuff over there too, so just make sure you're following me there. Other than that, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. If you're finished with school, let me know down below. Enjoy your summer. I hope it's amazing, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!